At the end of this video, you would have learned everything about affiliate marketing, talking from the search to social into advanced techniques of affiliate marketing. My name is Kingsley Nemeka and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. I have been doing affiliate marketing for a while now and I learned so much about affiliate marketing. I want to guide you through this tutorial on every bit of information you will need once it comes to affiliate marketing. A lot of people have a lot of things they are not telling you about this very business model. And as I speak right now, it is making a lot of young people millions. And if you are one of these people who want to benefit from this so-called affiliate marketing business, you have to watch this video to the very end because information is power. And I used to say that information is the only thing you need for the next level of your life. A lot of times when people are broke, they are not just broke as a result of not having money. They are also broke as a result of being ignorant. And that is one thing that you should never allow to happen to you. If you are broke, don't be broke of information. And this is why you need to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because that is what we'll bring to you. We'll bring you only legitimate information on this YouTube channel on how to make money online and how to really stay making money online. So go ahead right now, subscribe to this YouTube channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every other time we'll drop this legitimate information on this YouTube channel. Before we go into discussing affiliate marketing and every strategy you need to start making money with affiliate marketing, I want you to know one thing for sure, and this is it. You know, when it comes to making money, a lot of people have really had a very wrong idea about it. Money on the internet is not a different kind of money. When you are making money online, it is not different from the money you make offline. The only truth about this thing is that you can make money faster online than you can make offline, and it is less of stress than it is offline. So there is a lot of opportunities for you once it is online, and yes, you need to learn through before you get it right. A lot of people, once they just come on the internet, they just have this unrealistic expectation about making money. Like, a lot of them do not even care about information, they just want to make money. But how? I mean, how do you make money when you do not have all the necessary information you need to start making money? It's not working that way, and it has never worked that way. That is why it is very important to always pay attention to information and instruction. It is a lot. Now, to clarify the point I'm trying to make, do you know that some of us accept terms and conditions without reading the agreement letter? Yes, I know you do that, and that's because we feel there's no time. But sometimes you accept terms and conditions on things you don't really know about, and when something happens, you say, oh, these people are doing me bad, but you were the one that accepted the terms and conditions. So feel free to always read policy. I'm saying this because affiliate marketing is one business model that you need to handle with care. I'm not saying it's a hard business model, but you need to handle it with carefulness. It doesn't work for people who are lazy, and it doesn't work for people who want others to do it for them, just like being lazy, yes. And it doesn't work for people who are careless, because there's a lot of articulations to this. There's a lot of talking to this. There's a lot of convincing to do.
Okay.
So what is affiliate marketing? In the simplest form possible, affiliate marketing is just like freelancing. It involves you selling something to actually get paid. Now, the product is not your own. You are dealing with a commission-based selling platform. So whenever you sell, you get commission. This commission can be 30%, it can be 50%, it can be a fixed price. Yes, so you don't really need to create the product. A lot of companies are looking for affiliates every day. If you buy something from any big company's website, scroll down their pages and you're always going to see something that says become an affiliate. And yes, it is true. So becoming an affiliate is not something hard, and there is a lot of things I'm going to be sharing with you in this video that will make you understand everything about it. So a lot of people do ask me, what kind of products are these affiliate products that people are selling? Now, pay attention and listen closely. These affiliate products are usually information-based products. Now, a lot of people are looking for information on health, on wealth, on travels, on marriage, on relationship, a lot. People want to stay healthy, people want to look fit, people want to travel, people want to make more money, people want to stay in a very good relationship and marry happily, and all they need is information. So most of these products are informations packaged in webinars, courses, and training, sometimes in ebooks. Now, these product owners have created this product, and all you need to do is to become an affiliate, a partner. That is what it simply means, a partner with the owner of this product. You will have a special link that will lead people to that affiliate platform. Once you get your affiliate link, anytime somebody uses that your link to buy a product from that expert, you are going to get the certain amount of commission that was agreed before you started. We have a lot of affiliate platform here in Nigeria, and most of them gives you 50% commission, meaning that if you help them to sell a product of 100,000 naira, you're getting 50,000 naira commission. And most of them are usually information based products. And guess what? A lot of people are on the internet looking for this information. So all you have to do is to just start. Yes, start and stop thinking loud about it. Start and start immediately. I'm going to be teaching you about search, social, and advanced level of affiliate marketing, and I know you will be glad to learn through it. I believe you're learning something so far so good. Why not like this video, share it with your friends so that they can come see what we're doing here and also learn for themselves. Now, another question that people ask me about affiliate marketing is, how long does it take before I start making money? Now, affiliate marketing is something that you can start making money from the very first month you started doing it. It is not like there's so many business that you need to wait for 1 year, 2 years before you start seeing a very good amount of income. No, it is not like that. Affiliate marketing is something that you can start making money even while you're going through a training about affiliate marketing. Why am I talking about training? Because there is one thing I have learned while doing affiliate marketing, and that's business model. You need a mentor. One of the fastest way to succeed in that business is a mentor, someone who has gone ahead of you, who has done it, tested different strategies. This is very important because this person will put you through the search, the social, and the advanced level, and you're going to pick any of these three. Any of these three you do works well. It depends on how serious you want your result. So the answer to that question of how long it takes to make money as an affiliate is that you can actually make money as an affiliate in your first month of starting the affiliate marketing business. Why? Because the product is already available. There is materials on how to sell the product. There are people who are already looking for this product. So your job right now is to pick the product, recommend it to people, and that is where we come to search. I told you I'll be teaching you search, social, and advanced level of affiliate marketing. Now, let's talk about search. When you become an affiliate and you are selling products that needs more information and you don't have time to start building any social media platform, you can actually get a website, start giving people free articles. On Google today, there is over 99,000 searches on Google every second. So if you are able to write good looking articles on your website and always put it out, 99,000 searches on Google every second, yours may luckily pop out and people can go through, read your information, and get recommendation from you. That is search. You can call those people bloggers. Yes, that's the biggest name we have for them in this part of the world. We call them bloggers. A lot of bloggers make a lot of money from becoming an affiliate. They don't parade themselves as an affiliate. They parade themselves as people who bring information to you, help you with those information, and then make a recommendation. At the end of the day, you will follow their recommendation because of the value they have given you in the information they have packaged for you when you were going through it. Now, they are bloggers, but they are mostly affiliate marketers and they make so much money doing it. That is search. If you search on Google, you can come across them. If you search on YouTube, you can come across them. And I recommend, if you're an affiliate marketer, YouTube is one of the best places to actually start talking about it and your product, because people are usually ready to watch videos more than they read write-ups. Now, moving to social strategy. strategy of affiliate marketing. Social means you creating a platform on a social media, build an audience level like me on Facebook that have up to 10,000 followers. You can have this audience level that like you, that trust you, that know you, and then you recommend products to them as an affiliate. Anytime they go and buy that product, you get paid. Yes, and it is really fast. You get paid. So one of the things you should know is that some people do not have such patience of building a social media account. But can I tell you the truth? It is one of the ways you can actually make so much money in affiliate marketing without paying a dime. Yes, I'm telling you. That's how I made my first 1 million naira in affiliate marketing. I didn't spend any amount. I was just on social media talking about the beauty of my product and what it does, the benefit and everything. At the end of the day, I saw people who were interested. They paid for it. I got commission of about 50% of the product I was selling for almost 40k. And you see, that is 20,000 naira. For 5 people that buys, I get 100,000 naira. For 12 people that buy, you calculate that. For 20 people that buy, you do the math. That is how powerful this business is. A lot of people are earning so much in affiliate marketing that even most companies here in this part of the world cannot hire them, because the money they make in affiliate marketing is enough to take care of some salary bills. And I'm not trying to bite those who are into salary earning. Do your job, but see, affiliate marketing is something you need to test, because it dey work. Oh, I'm telling you. Oh my God! Wow! So moving on to the next level, which is advanced level of affiliate marketing, is where you spend money. That is where we call ads. Yes, you can do search, social, but when you come to advanced, you spend. Yes, some of you have seen my advert running on Facebook. I'm spending money. I'm paying Facebook. You can actually search something on Google. The first thing you will see is adverts recommending that product you searched. These adverts are being placed on Google, and Google are recommending it for you. Anytime you use that advert to make a purchase, the person that is putting up that advert is getting a commission, because yes, the person is an affiliate. Do you understand? Yes, the advanced level is one of the ways to actually make money faster in affiliate marketing. But see, there is no strategy that doesn't work, because I remember vividly that before I started spending money in my affiliate marketing business with the product I'm selling, I know how much I made from it, building social media platforms that have helped me to make more money. So a lot of people are asking me, how many types of affiliate marketing do we have? See, there's a lot of affiliate marketing. There is CPL, there is CPA, and there is CPS. All these are forms of affiliate marketing. CPL simply means cost per lead. Now, in this type of affiliate marketing business, you are not selling anything to anybody. You are actually bringing people who are going to submit their emails, sign up for a particular training, and you get paid. Usually, it is not currently working in Africa, but something like Amazon does it. If you need more information about CPL marketing and how you can start doing it right now and get paid in dollars without selling anything to anybody, the link to the tutorial is below this video in the description. All you need to do is finish this video, go through it, and you learn everything about CPL marketing. Another one is CPA. It is called cost per action. Cost per action simply means you bring people to take a particular action and you get paid. It can be them submitting an email, subscribing to a YouTube channel, or doing something and you get paid. That is also a form of affiliate marketing. Another one is CPS, which is cost per sale. That is what I do, and it is very beautiful because people are going to buy something, buy an information that is going to help them, and at the end of the day, you get a commission. And it is what most Nigerians do, and it is what a lot of young Nigerians who are making so much money on the internet are doing currently. And if you find a way of becoming an affiliate marketing, go all ahead and start. You see, I've told you earlier that one of the ways to succeed faster in affiliate marketing is to have a mentor, someone who can actually tell you what to do and what not to do. That is why I can also recommend a training guide for you that will have you pay a little amount of money and get access to mentorship and everything that you need to get started. And that is where SAMP comes in. There's a small training I put together from section 1 to section 7 that's going to show you everything about affiliate marketing, how to start, get mentorship, coaching session, and how to talk to humans on the internet so that people can actually give you money. All these things are guidance you need, and I have done that to over 300 people who are currently in Millionaire Quarters, my mentorship group, and I can help you do that. All you need to do is to use the second link in the description of this video, and you're going to sign up using Seller to get access to SAMP. That training is everything you need to start making millions on the internet. And if it is something you really want to do, click the second link in the description of this video and you're going to get access to it. What other questions do you have about affiliate marketing? I'll be glad to hear them in the comment section so that I can also help you, put you through, and you know what we do in this channel to bring the information the way it is without covering anything, and you get to make money. Before we go, I want to give you a bonus, and that is business is not magic. A lot of you expect that once you start an online business, boom, you start hitting millions. There is stages to everything in life, including business online. So when you come, very first thing to do is to learn. When you learn, you can earn. I'm telling you, it is something practical, and I learned it the hard way because during my time, I know how much it took before I found the information that I found that I now share to my students free of charge. So all you need to do is to get SAMP below this video in the description and sign up for it, get access to it, and I will be your teacher in my mentorship group where you will be learning a lot from me. I believe you've learned a lot from this video. Please don't be stingy. Share it with a friend of yours who has been longing to learn more about affiliate marketing. And also, if you have any question related to affiliate marketing, please drop it in the comment immediately and I'll be there to put you through, or even make a video and tag you immediately about it so that you can come and learn the more. Remember, we're here to give you just the best, and the best we're giving using the information we have gathered from experience, and we are teaching you for free. Please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Do not go without doing that, and turn on the notification bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new video. I hope that's right. Yes. With that said, I'm going to say what I said to my student, and that is chase knowledge first.